Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the built-in magnifier so you can zoom reliably and without third-party apps. Press Windows key plus the plus sign to open it immediately. Once done, the tool zooms the entire desktop. Make sure to pick a view mode. Full screen magnifies everything. Lens follows your cursor. Docked pins a bar at the top. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust increments, and remember the slider in the magnifier window gives smoother control for exact levels. Once magnifier is active, refine how it behaves so you get precise results. You open magnifier settings and change zoom increments, enable smooth panning, and set where the view follows, mouse, keyboard focus, or text caret, so navigation feels natural. Make sure to test different magnification percentages and toggle between lens and docked to see which keeps context. If you need temporary, use Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow keys to pan. When finished, press Windows plus Escape to close the magnifier quickly. To finish, save your preferred magnifier options so you can reopen the same setup instantly. This makes repeated use efficient. If the zoomed view stutters or apps appear blurry, reduce the zoom level, close GPU-intensive programs, and make sure your display driver is up to date. If the magnifier behaves oddly, reset your display scaling in settings to 100%, then reapply your desired scale. This usually clears rendering glitches, and if not, restart Windows to restore normal display behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.